Hello everybody, it's about 12:35 a.m. on May 30th. Local time is about 6:35 p.m. This is a special edition video because I'm making it at this hour, but no, I wanted to make this video because my client Jim that's trading the Combine just sent me a video and screenshot of today's action. It's not really a video because he was trading several accounts at the same time and things were pretty hectic, and the profits resulting from today were pretty high, so he did not have the wherewithal to make a video of the trades, but he did send me a video of a recap of what happened today, and there are some screenshots. So I want to share that with you. On the screen now is my website, so if you want to find out more about the Autotrader, the URL for our website is up here. If you want to contact me, click on the contact link. Wherever you live, this will give you your time and then my local time, so if you decide to call, be aware of the time difference. Anyway, my contact information is here if you want to find out about Blue Wave Trading, who we are, who I am, my very long history in the trading business. It's all here. Okay, so let's take a look at what Jim has to share with us today. Forgot to show the screenshot of his Combine account, today's trading. So Jim traded several accounts today. One of them was this Combine, and you can see this is the second trading day here, and his current P&L is now $16.50. So he made about 1,000 today on this Combine, and the profit goal is 15,000, so forth. Here's the current balance. And so let's take a look at the video.
Okay, May 29th. Well, we sold off pretty good overnight. Right now we kind of in a wedge kind of a situation. I do think we will go lower. I think we will break the overnight low at 82. But first, I would love to see a bounce up to the trend line over there at around 92. So for the time being, I am going to keep the Autotrader on off. I'm not going to take any trades until I see a bounce and then a confirmation that indeed we are going lower. I do expect a lower move, and actually I'm going to raise all my daily targets today. I think potentially we can have a very explosive kind of day. What an absolutely phenomenal, spectacular, or as Randy would say, stellar day this was. My most profitable day to date by far. All three of my live accounts scored in the 4 digits. Unfortunately, I was not able to do a live recording of the trades because once things began to happen, they just happened too fast, and I could not set up the recording and trade 3 different accounts. But what I'll do is I'll go to a live chart and just kind of show you what happened during the day. So I expected a bounce, and I got that bounce, and then here came the confirmation short. The higher time frame went short, precision trend went short, step MA went short. And the Autotrader, according to the rules, takes a short. Now, by the way, just to make it clear, this is not a historical chart. There is no H. Historical charts have H. There is no H here. Also, this is a live account. This is not a sim account. A sim account would have a red border around the configuration panel. This has a yellow border. Yellow border means a live account. So a short came in right at around 10:50, 4 contracts short, and then the Autotrader. What a phenomenal piece of software. It just stays with the trade. According to the rules, according to money management, just stays with it. And achieved first target, 2 contracts, up 590, and then just waits. Still in the trade. Price goes up, it doesn't care. Still in the trade, because the rules say you stay short unless the trend changes. The higher time frame trend, that is. And the trend is short. And it stays with the trade. It stays with the trade. I would have been out a long time ago, or maybe even took a long. And anyway, it stays short. It stays short, and then boom, out. close to $1,800 in less than 2 hours, and this is just one account.
Okay, so now that that video is over, just wanted to point out a couple of things. The net profit on this chart, this is just one of 3 accounts, was $17.95. His total profit was $4,000 and change. Okay, so I wanted to bring over Jim's original email here, and obviously he was very excited about it. And he states here the total between the 3 live accounts was $4,071 after commissions. And so, once again, pretty impressive. I also want to point out that I don't tell Jim what to say or suggest anything he say. Everything he says is on his own accord, his own opinions, and I don't put him up to anything. So the chart Jim was trading here has a higher time frame filter and a step moving average filter, and I just wanted to talk about that a little bit. The higher time frame filter, the Autotrader, will only go short if the higher time frame background is red, meaning those bars are short. So if it's a Super Renko 10 tick higher time frame, the Super Renko 10 tick bars have to be red, and that would be indicated by the red background where the bars turn red on the higher time frame. The Autotrader can only be short if that higher time frame is short. So if you have blue bars here, the Autotrader will not take a trade along against a blue background. Now sometimes things change quickly and it may look like there's a trade, but it's not. It follows the rules. Also, at this point in the video, he points out that it's a live account and that in Sim, this configuration panel, you click the button here and this opens up, is red. In simulation, it's yellow and live. I actually want to show you that on one of my my own chart. So this is a chart of the NASDAQ 150 Heikin-Ashi tick, and I'm actually showing historical trades. You can see there's an H next to the trade, and this is only going back 5 days, and the P&L in 5 days is 35.45. The profit goal on this one is 1,500. So anyway, looking back, we have the higher time frame filter. I don't have the step MA filter on here, but notice in simulation, the configuration panel is red. And if I want to trade live, I would select strategies, and then I would select my live account here where it says account, and then this drop down list is my live account, and then I would enable the Autotrader, and when it refreshes here, I'll click the config panel and you can see that it's yellow and this is set up to trade live. So another reason I want to show you that is that we don't fabricate or embellish any information, especially like this about live trading. It's really important that everything we say and we do, we back up with facts or proof. We would never want to mislead anybody. We go to great lengths to keep it real. We have no sensational claims on our website, you know, like you can quit your job and make a living trading. I don't send out email blasts. You can make $50,000 a month trading Fibonacci or things like that. Like some of our competitors do this kind of thing, and we just refuse to do it. I try to keep it as real and transparent as possible. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the update. I'm sure we're going to see more. Thanks for watching.